Hiccup, 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 hiccup.
Yo, this beat good at M&E, reppin' Cali, PG, DC. We gonna nudge your head and beat your feet. Rain or shine, snow or sleep. Rock it out, whatever the weather. Cause I knock you out like Pacquiao do Mayweather. Cause yo, we are fighters, lovers and fighters. We produce and we are writers. That's like the only thing I know.
Yo, I can battle any sucker, any race. You beat me's like Billy Crystal playing Scarface. I can't see you, blind in my eyes. I came up on you like oops, how? Surprise! Dave Chappelle, we miss you, man.
Did you really record that shit?
Yeah, hell yeah.
What up? There's Erin from BTS, below the surface. What's up? Rama. Go see the Rama.com. Rep that shit. Ryan talking to you to shut up.
I'm about to freestyle my feet. Happy freestyle.
Are you Bojangles?
A little bit. Don't be impressed too much, guys. I still got my jacket on.
Yo, Team Bojangles. Yo, Team Bojangles. I am Asian American. My rhymes feel you like geometric angles. Rhyme beat too disastrous, like doing calculus with an abacus. And I don't know how to fucking spit this rhyme cause I ain't got the time. I'm fucking real time. Hella late. So, hey.
Ooh.
Yo, I finally put my main on. I've been a doormat volcano. You know. I was making my whole time.
Fuck it. I just get excited.
I want the crowd.
Break dance cypher going on. It's about to get real serious.